Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your JLL Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your JLL Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in authn.jll.com and make a search. You will end up on the sign-in page of JLL Mortgage account. Enter your username and password associated with your JLL Mortgage account and tap on Sign In. Tick mark on the box that says Remember my user ID in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. Also, tick mark on the box to verify that you are a client of JLL in order to access JLL applications. Make sure you don't tick mark on the second box in case if you are using a public computer. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Reset Password option. This is how you can log into your JLL Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.